Doing it from here. So first of all, I'm sorry कि आप लोगों का थोड़ा time ज़ाया हो गया सही है. I don't know what's wrong. So let's start our today's class. Okay. First of all, what I'm going to tell you here. Okay, is that yesterday we talked about Africa. Okay, right now we're going to complete our topic of Africa, and then I will show you the quizzes, your quizzes which you have done. Okay, so first of all, just look at the screen. Okay, you will see that I already told you that there are 54 countries in Africa. Okay, I told you that there are 1.1 billion people in living in the continent. Okay, then I told you about Algeria. I told you that Algeria is the among the top 10 largest countries in the world. Okay, and we talked about Lagos and Nigeria, that it is the largest city in Africa. Then we talked about Madagascar. Okay, Madagascar is the fourth largest island which is found in
Africa.
okay Africa. Now, the longest river Nile is found in the continent of Asia. Do you guys know about the river Nile?
Yes. River
Whenever,
Nile is the longest river in the world, and the third
exactly,
longest river in the world is in North America.
exactly. You know, whenever we are going to talk about river Nile, you will always see that this river is so big. Can you see it in the map over here? That it is going from Alexandria to Cairo to Luxor to Aswan. Can you see that how many countries, how many cities it is passing from?
Hello.
Okay, so
Hello.
yes, can you
Miss
not hear
आवाज
me?
नहीं आ रही. Yes.
You cannot hear me?
No.
No, teacher, we can hear you.
Miss Aisha
Obviously,
don't can.
Sir, we
कोई
can
बात कर
hear
रहा
you.
है?
We are hearing you.
मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही किसी की.
if you couldn't hear me, then you won't be able to reply. Okay, so now listen. So the longest river Nile is found in Africa. Okay, number 7. The Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak that is found in
Sir,
Africa.
can't able to hear you.
इधर आ गया.
If everyone can hear me, I think. Wafa, can you hear me?
Yes, I am also
Miss.
listening you. Teacher, I can. Teacher, I can hear you also. Yes, teacher, everybody can hear you. मैंने पूरी डिटेल निकाल के रखी है.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, beta. I know you cannot
मैंने
hear
पूरी
me.
Teacher, you are mute. Teacher, you are mute.
Can you now hear me?
Yes.
Teacher, you are mute. Teacher, you are mute.
Teacher
Okay,
is
I'm
on
not-
mute.
Okay, so what they're saying is that nowadays there is a problem of water. Okay, there is a problem of water going on, and they are saying is that do you guys know about the world wars that are going on in our country? Okay, there was World War One, Okay, there was World War II. Now, what I'm saying is that there will be another war in the upcoming year, and what they're saying is that the war will be because of water.
बोल रहा है
What is it because of?
जब येलो
Water.
येलो मतलब कोई बोल
Why?
Or
Because
water,
they,
teacher.
why? Because the people are not, using the water in a very good way. Okay, because the people are not using the water in a very good way. What they're doing is that there is a lot of wastage of water, and people are, not really using the water in a very good way. So what's happening around the world is that water
मिस
is being wasted. So they're saying is that if there's a third world war, there will be because of water. Say yeah. So the second largest freshwater lake is found in Africa, which is a very good thing for them. Why? Because we can drink fresh water. Okay, what we can do with fresh water? We can drink that water. Okay, so this is a very good way. Like for example, Karachi has a very big sea water in it. Okay, like do you guys go to the sea view? Okay, I think all of you must have gone to sea view. All of you have must gone to Hogs Bay or some kind of sea place. But what's the fault in is, okay, why do we have any advantage? Because that water is salty. Okay, we cannot drink it, and even if we want to, automatically that water is not good for consumption. Okay, for drinking consumption. So Africa has a very good way. Okay, and they are
Okay.
very lucky to have a very fresh water lake. Okay, now
Okay.
I told you about this Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak of the mountain found in Africa. Okay, if
Okay.
someone asks you that which is the highest mountain in Africa, what you are going to tell them?
Kilimanjaro.
Mount Kilimanjaro. What you are going to tell them?
Mount
Exactly, Mount Kilimanjaro. Okay,
मम्मा ये
then this was up to the continent of Africa. I'm giving you a little recap. If you want to write it somewhere, if you want to have it in your memory, you can do that. After this, I'm going to tell you what you did wrong in your quizzes. Okay, now number one, I told you that there are 54 countries in Africa. How many countries are there in Asia?
48.
Ali Ahmed, there are 48 countries in Asia. Okay, they're saying is that 1.1 billion people are living in the continent. How many people are living in Asia?
क्या समझा रही
3.2 billion.
पकड़ मैं भी
Okay, how many people are living in Asia? 4 billion. Okay, around 4 billion people are
बात
living
ये
in
बचाएगी ना
Asia. Okay, now. Okay, now number 3 is that
मैं राजू के लिए
which
बताएं
is the largest country found in Africa? Algeria. Which is the language country? Algeria. Okay. Now, then we talked about the largest city found in Africa. The largest city is Lagos. Okay. The largest city found in Africa is Lagos. Then we talked about the largest island in the world. Okay. The world largest island is Greenland.
Yes, yes,
The world's
yes.
largest
I can
island.
hear
This
you.
island is the most largest in the world, and where it is found? This island is found in Asia. The largest island, the largest island is called as Greenland, and it is found in Asia.
Greenland.
The fourth largest island is known as Madagascar, and it is found in
Okay.
मम्मा
Africa.
यहाँ नहा रहा है
Now we talked about the longest river in the world. The longest river is River Nile, okay, which is found in continent of Asia. Then we talk about Mount Kilimanjaro. That if someone asks you which is the highest peak, which is the highest mountain found in Africa,
Mount Kilimanjaro.
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 Talk about
ये यहाँ पे
Lake
मार्क्स
Victoria.
आया
If
Mount
someone asks you,
Kilimanjaro.
do you know any lake,
अम्मा
which
बच्चे
is
ने
the
मार्क्स
largest lake in
लगाया
the
हुआ है
world and where it is found? What you're going to tell them?
क्या खाएगा अब
Okay, now one by one, what you're going to tell me is that if you have any problem, just raise your hand. If you understand them, then we are going to move towards your quiz. Are we clear? If you understand, just give me a thumbs up. Hurry up.
वरना यार कोई
Give me a thumbs up, hurry up. So, what I wanted to tell you today is that all of you are amazing. Okay, all of you did a very wonderful job in your quiz, and I'm very surprised because of it. Why? Because mostly all of you got 9 out of 10 or 8 out of 10, and that is very amazing. Okay, I got surprised by it, and now I'm going to tell you what you did wrong in your quizzes. Okay. So that you won't repeat the mistakes again and again. Okay, I don't want you to make the same mistakes.
Jab.
क्या बोल रहे हो अलीबा क्या बोल रही बोलिए ये पकड़ने वाला ये पकड़ने वाला
So can you all see this? Wait.
yes no अभी कोई चिल्लाया टीचर तुम्हारे कितने मार्क्स आए क्विज में
Okay, can you all see it?
yes
Okay, see it. So number 1 was Hasif. Okay, Hasif, I'm letting you know what was your mistake over here. Okay, Hasif, you said that kangaroos are found in Asia. Okay, I never told you that kangaroos are found in Asia. I told you that there are, cobras, there are elephants, there are pandas. Kangaroos are
Australia.
the national animal of Australia. Kangaroos are the national animal of Australia. They are not found in Asia. Okay.
Okay.
And the second thing you did wrong is that all the things that are found on the land of the continent belongs to that continent. Okay, I told you this so many times that whatever we find on the land of a continent, like for example, I told all of you that Mount Everest is located on the land of Asia. So that's why Mount Everest belongs to Asia. Are we clear?
Yes.
Okay. Everything, anything, like for example, any desert, for example, any ocean, for example, anything which is found on the land of the continent automatically belongs to that continent. That's why you did this point wrong. Okay. Number 2 was, okay, Alishba Yasir. Alishba Yasir, you said that the highest mountain is K2 and you said true. No, the highest mountain is Mount Everest. Okay? K2 is not the highest mountain. Okay, and Asia is a continent that is run by a mayor. Okay, I already told you that a continent does not belong to anyone. Okay, a continent does not belong to anyone. So there is no need for someone to run it. Okay, no one needs to run it. Automatically, it does not belong to anyone. That is why it was false. Number 3 is Hamad Khan. Hamad, you did a wonderful job. Okay, but all the things belongs in the continent, found in the continent is true.
Miss.
Okay. Number 4 is Fahad. Okay, Fahad, you said that kangaroos are found in Asia, but they are not. Why? Because they are the national animal of Australia. Okay. And second, you said the most intelligent people are found in America. No, I already told you that the most intelligent people are found in Asia. In which countries? Asia, South Korea, Hong Kong, and Singapore. China, okay? I already told you that.
Miss Laba.
Okay, I'm just telling you this. Okay, don't feel bad about it. Okay,
Miss
don't think that I'm
not
telling you your mistakes or I'm trying to say that you did not a good job. Okay, I'm telling you this because this was the first quiz. This was only a test quiz. Okay, we are going to have so many quizzes from now on, so don't make the same mistake. Okay. Okay, Shameen, are we clear?
The class time is
very good. Number 6 was Farwa. Farwa, okay. I think all of you must know your mistakes by now. Okay, I will just let you know the right answers. That Asia is the largest continent. It was true. Okay, why? Because I've already told you that Asia is so large that if we combine all the other continents, still Asia is going to be the largest continent. Okay, now I think this was it. Most of you did the mistakes in the 2-3 parts.
How many marks did I get?
Okay, just
Arya.
okay. Yes. Hamad, you got 9 out of 10, not 8 out of 10. Okay. Now, just kindly help me with your attendance. Hurry up. I'm going to say your names.
How many I get marks?
Okay.
Alish Bhai Asif,
Hi.
Ayan,
Present.
Aurelia,
Present.
Ali Ahmed,
Present.
Aisha Ilyas,
टीचर मेरे कितने मार्क्स हैं?
Hamad Khan,
Present.
टीचर मेरे कितने आए हैं?
शेमीर हुजैफा ने चैट में लिखा है
we have Hamad
टीचर
Khan, we
आई
have
एम
Farda,
Farafan
Fahad,
teacher.
Shamir, Wafa, Huzaifa. Okay?
टीचर मैं रह गई।
हुजैफा तुमने
I think I have written all of your names.
टीचर.
So this was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all learned it. Okay, for our next class, kindly do revise your Asia and Africa so you don't forget it. Okay, and we are going to start the third continent, which is North America. Are we clear?
Yes.
Ali Ahmed, do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Ali Ahmed, you did a very wonderful job and I'm very amazed by your quiz as well. Okay, so this was it. You can go in your next class. Allah Hafiz.
हाफिज।
Allah Hafiz, Wafa.
टीचर नेक्स्ट क्लास किसकी होगी ये तो बता।
Miss Javedia, Science. Okay. Fahad, do you have any problem, beta? No? Okay, fine. This was it then. Allah Hafiz.